And the visiting vehicle officer here in Mission Control reports that station keeping has begun. This will be a very brief period of systems checks by the Russian flight control team in Korolyov before the command is given to initiate final approach.
Send the command initial. Исходный. Initial. Copy. In work. We confirm station keeping, and we confirm that all LEDs are illuminated and have activated the Работа or operation command, and LEDs are illuminated. And so please transition to display 44. I am on display 44. External and internal LEDs are illuminated. Copy. We copy all station, and now please deactivate the operation Работа mode. And we have contact, confirm, причал, command, and please continue monitoring the situation. Range is 180 meters.
And with everything checking out in good shape, the Progress has now initiated its final approach.
And please continue monitoring via VKU, please. Copy. And if you give us a go, I wanted to play with the AGC mode, if I can. Definitely, we were just about to tell you to use AGC mode. I have AGC mode activated, and I have operation mode on. Copy. And we have BPS initial, and operation mode is active. Copy. I am deactivating the operation mode. Copy.
Just 135 meters now separating Progress from the Piers docking compartment as the resupply craft and the International Space Station enter an orbital sunset over the South Pacific, approaching the west coast of South America.
So range is 123 meters, and range rate is 0.166 meters per second, and we are perfectly aligned with the axis of the docking mechanism. Copy. Range is 100 meters, and range rate is 0.53. We are at the axis of the docking mechanism. We're perfectly aligned. Copy.
Aboard the Zvezda service module, cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin and Alex Gripochka are looking at the same engineering overlay view that you've been enjoying as the Progress slowly but surely closes the final few meters for its contact and capture to the International Space Station, now just 83 meters separating the two craft.
Range rate is 0.41 meters per second. We copy. And Alexei, how do you see the docking interface? It's in the shadow. I don't see it clearly. And actually, we were about to suggest you use the AGC mode once again. Copy. I'll send the BPS initial command, and then operation command, and then AGC mode. Affirmative.
Flight controllers at the Russian Mission Control Center report a smooth approach by the Progress, everything proceeding in normal fashion. The current estimate is that we are expecting docking to occur up to about 2 minutes earlier than the current schedule.
That's what I'm doing. All right, so I returned to that second notch with the translational hand controller. We copy, and the range rate is 52 meters, and range rate is 0.22 meters per second. We copy.
Again, under current predictions, we might lose our downlink television picture right before docking. Just 45 meters now separating Progress from the Piers docking compartment as it continues to glide in for its automated link up to the Piers. The docking mechanism has been powered up.
Alexei, just a reminder, at the range of 30 meters, you need to activate the range BPS initial, and also have the abort enabled. Copy. And could you tell me what you wanted me to do at the very end? We wanted you to activate BPS initial and then abort enabled, and then leave the Rabota operation mode on. Copy. And we are at the 40-meter range, and range rate is 0.19. Electrical crosshairs are misaligned with the docking interface at about 0.5 degrees. So the misalignment is about 0.5 degrees. Copy. So now we're at 30 meters. I'm sending BPS initial. Copy. I'm activating the operation mode. I confirm LEDs are illuminated, and I'm sending the abort enabled command. Copy. And we're moving on to page 24. We copy all. You're on page 24.
And as expected, we've temporarily passed out of range of our tracking and data relay satellite system.
And Alexei, please continue reporting. We see the image. Visually, we're at 25 meters, and the range rate is about 0.15 meters per second. Copy.
Despite the loss of the television signal, everything proceeding on track as the Progress is just about to inch inside the 20-meter mark.
5 degrees from the crosshairs of the real target. Copy. And we have the confirmation. Our antennae folded. Copy.
17 meters now separating Progress from the Piers.
And visually, the range is about 15 meters, so I'm about 4 squares away from the docking interface. We copy. All right, the size of the target is more than 1 square. We copy. And there is about 1 degree discrepancy between the crosshairs of the real target and the electronic crosshairs, and range is 10 meters. Copy. 10-meter range.
Progress ever so slowly moving in for its link up to the Piers docking compartment, about to move inside the 10-meter mark.
Crosshairs. The crosshairs are aligned. Copy. The size of the target is about 2 squares, 6-7 meter range, and the crosshairs are still aligned. Everything is still nominal. We copy. There is a slight misalignment between the real target crosshairs and the electronic crosshairs. Copy. And there is a slight pitch, a slight roll, and the size of the target is about 2.5 squares.
Just a few meters separating the two craft.
There is a slight misalignment of the electronic crosshairs with the target crosshairs. It's about 0.5 degrees. And range is about 1-2 meters. We're standing by for contact. The crosshairs are aligned.
Docking is imminent.
We're standing by for contact. Copy. Soft contact confirmed.
Contact and capture confirmed.
Mechanism engaged. Copy.
Docking confirmed at 7:20 p.m. Central Time as the International Space Station in Progress 64 flew 254 statute miles over Chile just north of the capital of Santiago.
Probe retraction.